Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Chrome Windows with account protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Google Chrome installed on your Windows computer. Launch Google Chrome by double-clicking the icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Once Chrome is open, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the window. If you are not signed in, select the Sign in to Chrome option. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field and click Next. Next, type in your password and click Next again. You will be prompted to verify your identity if you have two-step verification enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. After successfully signing in, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy and Security section on the left sidebar. Click on Security to access relevant account protection settings. Scroll down to find the Enhanced Protection option. Toggle it on for added security while using your Google account. You might also want to enable Password Checkup, which helps identify weak or compromised passwords. Next, return to the Settings menu and click on You in Google. Here, you can manage your data and customize sync settings to ensure that sync is enabled to keep your bookmarks, history, and settings synced across devices. After completing these steps, close the Settings tab to return to your browsing experience. Your account is now authenticated with enhanced protection on Chrome for Windows. Take a moment to browse the web and enjoy a secure browsing experience. Feel free to revisit the Settings menu anytime to update your account protection preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.